Today's date is June the 27th, 2013. It's dark out here, but what you are watching is a lightning show here in Birmingham, Alabama. Next week marks the 4th of July, 1 week from today actually. Looks like God is 1 week ahead of schedule with his own fireworks show. I'm actually in Center Point, Alabama right now. What you are looking at is would be the skies south of Birmingham, a little bit south of Birmingham. I guess you have a lot of cloud to ground lightning with this. I don't know if you can see it, but there's an aircraft flying across the field of view here. This lightning show is impressive. It's been going on for about 30 minutes straight, just continuous lightning, and just hadn't stopped, hadn't moved. That's the odd thing. You think that it would be moving eastward, which would kind of be toward me somewhat, but we pray that not much of this is cloud to ground, but you can see the vivid lightning strikes in this video. Unfortunately, here in Alabama, we get very rough weather during the spring and summer months. Actually, here in Center Point, Alabama, where I live, we got hit by a tornado January the 23rd of 2012. January is nowhere near tornado season. So that's just how unpredictable the weather is here in Alabama, the beautiful. I think this lightning show is probably about 20 miles south of where I currently am. I hope it stays south, but I pray that the people south of here that are under this are safe. Signing off.